Msukuthi uvuka msukuthi khona lento engifuna ukukupha vuka msukuthi vuka uzwe lalela nayi le ndawo umsebenzi lalela msukuthi thatha thatha
Yeah, befika idlozi lethatha lento ayinabukhosi bangene ngayo kujabula idlozi abaphansi ngiyafungana ayinabukhosi aligobhozi igazi kumele wazi njengamanzi bade kudunga stay to 100 khet khululeka bambelela qiniseka kaphileka zinuka umculo nothi inyoka yamdlanyoka thatha lento ayinabukhosi phathi inkatha ANC angeke uthwale bayeke bathwale uthule ucule bangashayi ihlombe don't panic be patient with big dreams cause they dream kuba blandi kunawe kusha phanda it won't be easy usazobhalabhala sibhakabhaka siwe boo ngeyingoma esiyifiu phakathi saphothisi kawari thatha lento ayihluphile mnandi umndeni awubhubhi ayigubhi ya thatha lento asikuthwalisi
Coach nawe zobisa ngeyini lento ithatheni impilo kuyona nikhohle ngokuthatha inyoka ishotcut ngempendlela thatha khona lapho thatha
in a crawl, stuck in a crash, to choose on Satan. Hip hop is a cousin, invest on my cousin, ungene malini, uspend no money, idlozi likhombile, sompisi bavumile, istrada sikulindile, no shortcuts indlela iqondile. Wena ugoje khohlwa ngenyoka, ikhona zokuphendula, ikhona zokubhadala, you're born to win, to rule, the world is yours, son. You're the gold, son. Pray to the Lord, not to the gods, of course you're going to shine like a star, you're going far, the skill is yours, the skill is blessed. I confess, push and press to spend the cash, be strong, preface like water. My crush is tighter, nutrition gets belly, swag like Taylor. Begezela qinisela, bazophela, thatha imkhonto manje dlasela. Shisela igadla ngozulu ngezulu kuhlanya amaswati, rap ngiyayipusha until umhlaba uzuyifile. Phekwe beat ngiyashibili kokwefisha emanzini, flow umhluzo empisi, cannibal zimzim siyabangena. Ngizoyipusha rap ngiyayithatha ngiyahlasela manje bavuma ekasi mangena ngesitali kuzokhala ngeqhume nedust kubeleke kuvunywa ubani sniper zimzim suma.
thatha
Touch.